Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to change your default location when you download using Chrome. As you can see, my C drive is almost full. I got 1.15 gigabytes left. The problem is when I hit downloads on either my videos or anything I want to download from the internet, from Chrome, it automatically takes it to my C drive because that's where it's set up as a default. So let me show you how to change that. Let's go to Chrome. And here I'm on my YouTube channel. So if I download any of these videos, it would automatically go to my C drive. And then if I do 2 or 3 of them, it would say, hey, I don't have enough space. So let me show you what the problem is. You can go up here to these 3 dots right here where it says customize and control Google Chrome. You click on it. You go down to settings. Once you go to settings, you go over here to the left, go to advanced, and go to downloads. And as you can see, my download folder location is on my C drive, users GLENE downloads. I can change that if I want and send it to my D drive. You notice that my D drive didn't hardly have anything on it. Or I can have it to ask where to save each file before downloading. And I got that turned off. So now if I download a file, it will automatically go here. But if I click here and turn this on, it would ask me where do I want to put the files at before I download it. Or you can just go here and hit change, and I can have it to download to my D drive. You notice that I don't have hardly nothing in my D drive. Hit select folder, and I could turn this off. So now when I download, it'll automatically go to my D drive. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.